Right then, hi Caitlin, I hope this is going to work. I'm going to try to do a recording of me doing a recording. So I'm on Moodle and I need to go to screenr. Now screenr is www.screenr.com, like that. Press it to go into it, and I suggest you sign in first of all, not at the end, so sign in with Google. Welcome back, it is me, so I'm going to sign in again and continue because I've got two accounts. Not quite sure what all this is. Let's just minimize it, get it ready to go. Right, so I need to start my recording, so I press the record button like this, and what you may get is the detecting Java bit, and then you probably are going to get two of these. So here's the first one, press run. And there's probably another one coming up. There we go. Press allow. Now, can you see if I wiggle this about? Do you see the dotted lines on the screen? So what you need to do now is to go and open up your Fireworks program. And this has got my picture already in there that I'm going to present. And then just move these lines to wherever you want the outline of your recording to be. Please make sure that you move them so you don't miss anything out. So when you're happy with that, and what I might do is just click a few of these just to check that it's all right, then you can begin explaining your tool. So you need to start, so you press the red button and you get a countdown, 3, 2, 1. And here you go. So you go away explaining this thing. So for example, if I'm going to explain the Magic Wand tool, you click on the Magic Wand tool, you select the background that you want to delete, click on it, and then you press delete like that, and you know it's deleted because you get this checkered flag pattern. And if you want to change the tolerance because your background is different shades, so for example if I click over here, you notice how it doesn't get rid of all the background. So if I increase the tolerance like this, so it takes a wider shape, and you see how it changes like that, and I can press delete, and I could go on and on explaining that. When you're happy, you go and press the done button. Now you can't see this unfortunately, I think because it's slightly out of shot. Can I move it up? Or I can maybe move this down. Let's see if I can move this down a bit. There you go. Can you see the done button? So you press done, and what will happen now is it should take you back into screenr. There you go, and you can see your screencast and you can press play. What you want to do now, because you're already logged in, is you want to give it a name. So explaining Magic Wand tool like that, and simply press publish. Now depending on your internet connection, this might take a little bit of time. So this bar should fill up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this presentation now and then come back to it, because the last thing you want to see is this thing filling up. Right, okay, back we go. That wasn't too long, and you can see there it is there. It's already saved and I can play it. So what you want to do now is you want the URL code. Well, you can use the URL code, or you could do something a little bit clever. You could get the embed code. If I click on the embed code, I've actually got a code that will allow me to show this live on the glossary. So what if I just copy this? You don't have to do this, you could just copy the embed code. But if I copy this, and if I now go back into, have I got it open? Oh, I've got to go all the way back. Yes, I do. Right, let me go back into a Moodle just to show you what you can do next. So there it is, there's the course. And if I scroll down to section 4, which is the glossary, there it is there, click on it. Right, so if I go into the glossary, I'm not going to go through this, but you read all the various bits to do it. So I'm going to add in an entry like this, and I'm just going to call it test, and here explain lots of stuff. See above. Now what did I mean about embedding? Well, if I just go enter and click on this HTML, it's a bit like Mahara. If I go underneath and press paste and then press update, Do you see how it's embedded in the glossary? So if I scroll down and press Save Changes, if I now go and look at my entry, look at that. That looks kind of good. Press play and you're ready to go. So that's how to do it. I'm available by email this week if you need some more help. I'll send you this link now. Job done.